Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore mobile analytics using Amplitude SDK detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore mobile analytics using the Amplitude SDK, start by ensuring you have the latest version of the Amplitude SDK integrated into your mobile application. Begin by importing the necessary SDK components into your project's dependencies if you haven't done so already. Next, locate the initialization segment of your application code. This is typically found in the main entry point of your app, such as application.java for Android or appdelegate.swift for. In this initialization block, add the Amplitude initialization code. You will need your Amplitude API key, which can be found in your Amplitude project settings. Instantiate the Amplitude instance using the API key to initiate the SDK. For iOS, use amplitude.instance.initialize API key, your _API _. For Android, use amplitude.getInstance.initialize this, your _API _key. Once initialized, it's essential to ensure your event tracking is set up properly. Identify the key events you want to track in your application. These can be user actions, screen views, or specific features. Add the event tracking code at the relevant places in your app. Use amplitude.instance.logEvent, event_name, for iOS. For Android, use amplitude.getInstance.logEvent, event_name. Consider adding properties to your events for richer analytics. This can include user attributes, session identifiers, or any relevant context about the event. To restore previous analytics data, check if you have existing user IDs or session tokens to associate them with the new events. If necessary, migrate any relevant data from your previous analytics platform to ensure continuity. Make sure to handle any data privacy regulations, such as GDPR or CCPA. After integrating the SDK and event tracking, thoroughly test your app. Run the app and simulate user interactions to verify that events are being logged correctly. You can monitor these events in the Amplitude dashboard in real time. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Amplitude documentation for troubleshooting steps. Once everything is functioning properly, you can start leveraging the analytics data collected to improve your app's performance and user engagement. Finally, review your analytics strategy regularly to ensure optimal tracking and reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.